Hello everyone, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can make a logo by just following a few process or by just doing a few steps. So we can do that by simply following the processes that I'm going to show you. So please open your browser that you have in your device, and once your browser is now open, all you need to do is just, let me just expand this one. All you need to do is just to search Canva. So type canva.com and then click on enter, and the moment you do that, you will now be able to see Canva. So here I have already signed in my account. So in your case, if you haven't, then please do so. It will only take you 30 seconds to 1 minute to sign in your account. It depends on your internet connection speed. So this time, we will be creating a logo. So here, we have a create a design option. So please click on that, this one. And then the moment you do that, you will now be able to see another window. And if this logo option will not appear in your window, then please just type it in here in this search tab that says what would you like to create. So here type logo, and then you will now be able to see the logo option. So for the logo that we have here, we have 500 times 100 500 by 500. So please click on that, and then once you do that, another window or another tab will be coming up. So here we have the Untitled Design Logo Canva. So for the templates, you can choose whatever templates that is suitable for the logo that you're making. You have here the premium templates. You can also have for your business, for the skincare and everything else. You can have them, or you can choose them from this side of the screen. So once you have already selected, just please click on that. For example, this one. If you have selected this one, just make sure that you edit it based on your preference. You can also change the font, and as well as the font size. You can increase or decrease the font size and the style, the font style, as well as the effects. And you can also change some features here. You can also add some background. And if you want to save this logo, all you need to do is just click this print with Canva, or you can also click this file button here and then download, or click the download button. And then once you're done, all you need to do, for example this one, all you need to do is just choose for the file type, just like this one for the file type, and then you can either choose JPG, PNG, or you can also have the limit file size to what KB. So you can change or alter the other options here. It depends on your end. So just click on this download button, and then this logo will now be downloaded in your device. Okay, so that's it. That's a very easy and simple process. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.